Hey guys, this is Abir Khan and you are watching Anik Khan. This is day 52nd of our vlog, and in this video I'm gonna talk about Twitter. So if you have heard the news about Twitter that its services have been blocked in Pakistan, and that was on Monday, the past Monday, and but the services that were blocked in Pakistan were not for more than 8 hours. And after that, Interior Minister Rahman Malik of Pakistan appeared on Twitter and tweeted that the services won't be blocked for a long time and the services are open now. So they banned the site Twitter because on Twitter people were posting the fake sketches of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and it was supposed to be blocked for that purpose. So after 6 to 8 hours, PTA, the authorities of PTA, and allowed the services of Twitter. So it wasn't a big deal for people living here because more than not more than 20% of the people who use the internet use Twitter. So it's not a big deal for people here. But as you guys know, that what happens in Pakistan stays in Pakistan. But not this time because uh, the news of this block services of Twitter spread worldwide like wildfire. And but the services won't didn't block for more than 8 hours. So this wasn't a big deal, but I just wanted to mention this in a vlog so that if you guys are worried that the services of Twitter are blocked in Pakistan, that isn't true. So this is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'm gonna make a detailed vlog uh, from tomorrow and see you guys then. Take care. Goodbye. Peace.